Assalamu alaikum. Today's my topic is how I spend my time during lockdown. The deadly coronavirus disease has spread around the world because there is no drug or vaccine invented yet. So lockdown was the only option with many countries. This lockdown was my first success experience where I had to stay at home for a long period. The moment when I heard about lockdown, I felt very happy because I wouldn't have to go to university then. On the first day, I played some outdoor games with two of my neighborhood friends. After a few days, when I realized the number of conversation is increasing, I stopped playing outdoors. As the days passed, everyone, including me, started talking more precaution to remain safe from the disease. I started watching television and playing indoor games like carom or ludo. Mother prepared delicious recipe at home. We all enjoy it, and sometimes I help my mother in the kitchen. I also read some books to pass my time. I played some computer games too. I watch news regularly. That's all about my lockdown.